How can I change my marital status on TurboTax? Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to change your marital status on TurboTax, you first of all have to sign into your TurboTax account. Now click on the personal info section and click on review/edit. Once you get here, under your info, click on the edit option. Here you want to click on the continue option until you get to the about your household screen. Once you get here, it's going to ask you what was your marital status. From here, you are able to change it. You have options such as single, married, divorced, legally separated, and widowed. Go ahead and select it from here. So if you had put married previously, you can change that to single or divorced. Second question is, do you have any dependents? Answer that and then click on the continue option. And in this way, you can change your marital status on TurboTax. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.